Bank of Maharashtra Q3 FY26 results, profit growth, margin strength or dividend takeaways. Bank of Maharashtra delivered a solid set of numbers for the third quarter of fiscal year 2025-26, with reported net profit rising around 26-27% year-on-year to approximately 1,779 crore rupees, supported by stronger core operating performance and better asset quality. Total income for the quarter expanded by over 16%, driven by growth in net interest income as loan book expansion and stable deposit traction contributed to higher interest earnings. Net interest margin remained healthy, reflecting controlled cost of funds and pricing discipline in lending. Operating profit also saw a healthy uplift, underpinned by disciplined expense management and diversified income streams. The increase in profit before provisions highlights the bank's ability to balance growth with cost efficiency even in a challenging macroeconomic backdrop. Asset quality metrics improved further during the December quarter, with gross non-performing assets trending lower compared to the year-ago period, and net NPAs remaining contained. Strong provision buffers and a high coverage ratio reflect prudent risk management practices that cushioned earnings volatility. The bank's total business combining advances and deposits showed double-digit growth, driven by credit demand across retail, agriculture, and MSME segments. CASA deposits also contributed to a stable funding mix, supporting net interest income resilience. Highlights in the quarter include a 10% interim dividend per equity share, signaling confidence in capital position and commitment to shareholder returns while maintaining capital adequacy above regulatory thresholds. From a longer-term perspective, Bank of Maharashtra's performance underscores consistent credit expansion coupled with improving profitability ratios like return on assets and return on equity. Cost-to-income ratio improved modestly, illustrating operational leverage even as credit costs were managed. Risks remain from external factors such as fluctuating credit demand, macro slowdown concerns, and competitive pressures from private sector banks and NBFCs. However, the current quarter's trends point to a strengthening earnings base and healthier asset metrics. Investors should monitor next quarter trends in credit growth, margin stability, and asset quality movement, especially as capital adequacy and dividend policy adaptability will be key for sustainable growth in the PSU banking universe. Overall, Bank of Maharashtra's Q3 FY26 results reflect steady progress in top-line and bottom-line metrics, with tangible improvement in key profitability and risk indicators. The dividend announcement and disciplined execution provide a positive lens into the bank's financial trajectory at a time when credit cycles remain nuanced.